I'm Cheri with my girlfriend's quilt shop, and today we're going to show you how to make a ruffle. If you've got a little girl in your life, you are going to need a lot of ruffles. Let's take a look at how our machine is set up. We're set up for a 4-thread overlock stitch, and there's just 2 slight adjustments we need to make. The first is we're going to take our differential feed and go from a neutral up to a 2. That's going to create our ruffle. And then just make sure your wave selector's at A, right here. Your width should be at a 7.5, and your length should be at about a 4. Let's go ahead and create our ruffle. And I'm gonna stitch on the back side just so that we can see those needle threads a little bit better. I'm gonna take off just a little bit as I run that through there. I'll lift up my foot, put it down, and we're going to start sewing. As I get about right here, I'm going to put my finger behind it, and it's going to manipulate the tension just a little bit to create a little bit more ruffle. You can see over here that we've already started to create that ruffle, but if I want even more ruffle on there, I can take these 2 needle threads and pull them up and then give them a slight tug, and the ruffle will just get better and better. Let's slide that down. And there's even more ruffles. What are you gonna ruffle first? Is it gonna be a sleeve, maybe part of a shirt, maybe a skirt, or I love to do a binding that has a little bit of ruffle. Tell us what you ruffle in the comments below.